How to fix ASUS TUF Gaming A15 performance issues. So first, go to your Windows search and go to your Task Manager. Go to your Startup Apps and make sure you disable all the apps that you do not need to be running while you start your laptop. For example, I do not need to be running this Microsoft Teams or my Discord or my Skype. This lessens the lag on my laptop. Now, after that, go to your Windows search again and type privacy settings. In this general settings, make sure everything is turned off. And then aside from that, go back to your privacy settings, and when you scroll down, you have this app permissions. So what you need to do is, if you don't need that, then just turn it off. For example, the notification access, I could just turn it off so it stops running in the background. Another thing, on your Windows search, go ahead and type edit power plan, and this window will show. Click change advanced power setting, and in here just go and find processor power management. Make sure that your maximum processor rate is at 99%, both on battery and plugged in. You can go lower, but I suggest you don't go lower than 90% because it really lowers the performance of the laptop. So usually 99% works, and if that works for you, you can customize the settings that way. Hope this helps!